Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading an Excel file in Java can be accomplished using libraries such as Apache POI or jexcelapi. In this tutorial, we'll focus on Apache POI, as it is widely used and supports both .xls and .xlsx formats. ## prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have Java installed on your machine. You can download it from here, https://www.oracle.com/java/technologies/java-z-jdk11-downloads.html. 2 Apache POI Library, download the Apache POI library from Apache POI's official website, https://poi.apache.org/download.html. You will need the following jar files: poi-star.jar, poi-ooxml-star.jar, poi-ooxml-schemas-star.jar, xmlbeans-star.jar, Commons collections for-star.jar, Commons compress-star.jar. 3 IDE, use any Java IDE, such as intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or netbeans, to write and run your Java code. #step-by-step guide to read an Excel file into an array list. 1. Set up your project, include the downloaded Apache POI jar files in your project's build path. 2. Create an Excel file. For this example, create a simple Excel file named data.xlsx with the following content: name, age, city, Alice 30 New York, Bob 25 Los Angeles, Charlie 35 Chicago. 3. Java code, write the following Java code to read the Excel file and store the data in an array list. ### explanation of the code. 1. Imports, the necessary classes from Apache POI and Java are imported. 2. Person class, this is a simple class that represents a person with name, age, and city attributes. The toString method is overridden to provide a readable representation. 3. Excel reader class. Main method, this is the entry point of the program. File input stream, opens the Excel file for reading. Workbook and sheet, a workbook object is created to represent the Excel file and a sheet object to represent the first sheet. Row iteration, an iterator is used to go through each row of the sheet. The header row is skipped, and the data from each row is read into a person object, which is then added to the array list. Exception handling, any I/O exception that occurs during file operations is caught and printed. Output, finally, the list of person objects is printed to the console. ### running the code. 1. Place the data.xlsx file in the same directory as your Java file or adjust the path accordingly in the code. 2. Compile and run the Java program. You should see the output of the person's read from the Excel file. ### conclusion. This tutorial covered how to read an Excel file into an array list using Apache POI in Java. You can further enhance the code by adding error handling, input validation, or reading more complex Excel structures.